Hello, this is a quick tutorial on achievements, where to view them, and how to access them. I am currently in my course. I am going to find the course menu tab labeled Achievements, Tokens, or Badges, Tokens and Badges. So this one's labeled Achievements. I'm going to go ahead and click on my achievements. As you can see here, I have earned one achievement. It is shown in full color. The achievement that I have not earned is currently grayed out. So that gives me an indication that I am still needing to earn this token or badge. You have the selections here: all achievements, earned achievements, and unearned achievements. To download the achievement, if you are needing to post that somewhere in a future course, you will click on the reward details icon located within the token or badge that you have earned. From here, you have the token or badge image here, and so you can either right click and either copy or save this image either to your desktop, to a folder. You would just click save as and be able to save that to whatever destination you want that saved to. Another option also is you could publish this badge to Mozilla Backpack. Basically, it is an open badge website outside of Blackboard. So it is a outside website, but you are able to post this badge to that. You'd have to create your own account through there, but essentially it will save any of the badges that you have earned, currently earned, earned in the past, and you can retrieve those from your Mozilla Backpack account in the future. And the steps are fairly easy to walk through. Once you click on the publish to badge, you can just fill out the information and have your account set up. And from there, you can also view the same information with a badge that is not earned. You just won't be able to publish that until you have earned it. And then you can view requirements, so you can see what week this badge is needed or token is needed to be completed in or by, and what kind of percentage you need in order to earn that. If you are unable to view, if you've gone through both of those steps, you know that you've submitted all the assignments and you're still not able to retrieve them, please feel free to reach out to the help desk at help@bramman.edu, or you can also reach out via phone. You can also notify your instructor via email that you possibly are not able to see that, and they may be able to check on their end to ensure that that you have completed also the assignments on their end. So if you do have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out to the help desk, and thank you for watching this brief tutorial.